Hi everybody, it's Pam. I'm here today to show you how to find your way around the doTERRA.com, what we call the back office, and how to place orders so that you can get your maximum points back using the Loyalty Rewards program. The first thing you're going to do is go to doTERRA.com and log in with your ID and password. If it's your first time through, you'll need to register on the right hand side with your doTERRA ID and password. Of course, I've been to the site before, so I'm going to log right in. Now, if it's your first time on the site, you'll get a pop-up box that says, what do you want to do today? Do you want to create an LRP template, or do you want to place a standard one-time order? You always want to use the LRP template, and that's because that's how you get your points back for free product. Now, when you get that pop-up box and you select LRP template, it's going to give you some dates. You can always choose to ship your order now if you don't want to wait for one of these selected dates. But if you choose a date before the 15th and your order is 125 points or more, that's how you get the free product of the month. So I already have a template set up, so I'm going to close this and go to my current template and show you around the order screen. So of course at the top we have your shipping address, your credit card, your email for confirmation, and then my LRP is scheduled to ship on October 9th, and I always set it to before the 15th of the month so I can get the free product. Now let's say I already have a shopping list, I've been keeping it noted down, and I know what I need. I need some lemongrass, so I'm just going to type it into the quick search bar and add that to my cart, and it'll plop it on in there. Now you can see I've got some magazines that I give out at my classes. I've got doTERRA Touch Frankincense, On Guard soft gels because it's starting to be fall and people are getting sick. The new Essential Aromatherapy Touch Kit and the lemongrass that we just added. I can change the quantity of any of these as I go, and it will change the rest of the columns. So the points goes up, the price goes up. Now you can see that I have use points over here, and that means that because I have points accrued over time, I can use my points to get the frankincense for free or any of the items for free that have the drop down. When you use points for products, you have to process your order immediately. You can't save it. Like, for example, I can't save it until it's originally scheduled on the 9th, and that's fine. So when I look at my order, I have 131 points. Now this green number is important because this is how the system knows if you have enough points to get the free product of the month. So your point value is not always equal to your dollar value. For example, you can see the doTERRA magazines have a point value of 0, but they cost $8 because they cost something to print. Because they don't have a point value, I can't use points to buy them. My subtotal is $150, and I've used 91 points. I have more points left over, and I could use some points for the lemongrass if I wanted, or I could use points for the On Guard soft gels. I think we probably can't use the points for the touch kit because the touch kit is too new. Now over on the right, I'm going to say I'm done, and I'm going to look at my totals, and this will show me the cost for standard shipping, which is UPS ground. That's now $6.99, and I get 7 points back. Those points will go over here in my points bucket for next time. And you can see here there's a $3 point redemption fee, and for every 100 points that you spend to get free product, there's a $3 charge. And when you think about it, it might seem a little funny, but that's a small price to pay for getting 100 and something dollars worth of oils for free. So that doesn't bother me at all to have that little $3 charge. I like to check the box to donate $1 to the Healing Hands Foundation because the Healing Hands Foundation does amazing things, and you can only donate $1 a month. So it's even between everybody. And now if I'm ready to ship, I will click View Totals and Ship Now, and this will come out to me in just a few days. This order will repeat next month, so I will get a warning email a few days before that lets me know to change it. I usually go in and change it several times during the month. And also, this is important, you can place multiple LRP orders inside the same month, and you will build up points for that. So if you place an order at the beginning of the month, and usually what happens is, my mom will run out of Lifelong Vitality, or my girlfriends will say, oh, we need some lavender, or, my baby's not sleeping, can you get me some Serenity really fast? So you can do multiple orders in a month, and you can use points at any time. So points are a great way to try something new that maybe you haven't used before. I used points the first time to try the Lifelong Vitality kit because I wasn't sure if it would be worth the expense, and now I know that it's absolutely amazing. And I use Lifelong Vitality, and my husband does, and my mom does, so I usually do a big order on my LRP, and I rotate through. So I get Lifelong Vitality one month, and then the next month I get like home care and body care stuff, and then you can see this time I've got stuff for my classes, like the magazines and things. If you have any questions about placing orders or how to use your points, comment below or send me a message. Thanks!